Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is week 4 in 12 weeks of fall cleaning challenge, and today we're tackling our kitchen cabinet. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. First thing I'll be cleaning up are my upper cabinets. I'm gonna go through all the glasses and plates and everything that needed to be tossed away. Anything that I don't use anymore, I will be taking out. I also will be cleaning the shelves and sorting things out to make it look nice. My upper cabinets are not in a bad shape, except this cabinet over here. Somehow I always collect more mugs and more glasses that I need. I'm sure I'm not the only one, but I'm gonna get rid of a few of them that I don't use anymore. And I will be also cleaning the outside of the cabinets and doorknobs as well. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video is part of the series called 12 Weeks of Fall Cleaning Challenge that is hosted by Sonia from Domestic Diva 76 channel, and you guys can check her out. Her channel is really cool, full of just mommy stuff, cleaning, organizing, travel vlogs, meal prep, budgeting, all kinds of things, and I really like her. She makes great DIYs as well. I'm going to link her channel in the description box down below, as well as a playlist, so you guys can check out all the participants that play along. This cabinet over here is kind of a waste of space. I always wanted a big range hood, but unfortunately in this house I was not able to get it. It was already set up this way when we bought it. So in this cabinet, the only thing I was able to shove in was a couple of glasses, extra glasses that my husband uses in the garage, and my bread maker. Now I decided to take that out and clean it out, and I think I'm gonna be holding only those glasses over there and my cookbook. I am moving my bread maker in a cabinet below the island. Now on to the bottom cabinets. This particular part of the bottom cabinets are filled with water cups, kids water cups, and ours. And again, somehow those are the things that I always collect the most. We always end up with a bunch of them that we don't really use. So this time I'm gonna get rid of a lot of them, and I'm just gonna leave some that we use on a regular basis.
Dreaming big makes me smaller than I wanna
In this cabinet over here, I mostly have plastic containers, little plastic bowls, and some glass bowls as well. For now, I am in the process of transitioning from plastic bowls and containers to glass ones. I still have to have some plastic ones to pack my son's lunch for school, and also my daughter is only 3 years old, so she's not really careful, and I still have to have some plastic bowls and cups around. But eventually I really want to get rid of most of them and just have glass containers to store the food. In these bottom cabinets, I hold some small appliances like rice cooker and then soda stream maker. I also have my food processor, and the rest of my small appliances are in a drawer, and you're going to see that later on. In this part of the bottom cabinet, I keep my pots, pans, and lids. Cleaning this bottom part, I realized how lucky I am that I put all those shelf protectors and liners, because I noticed some stains probably from pans, and I was able to clean it up a little bit, but not a lot. So if I didn't have these shelf liners, my cabinets will be stained. Little tip that I learned from my friend a long time ago is to put some sheets of paper towel between pans so they don't scratch. Now, this tool over here is not actually meant to be for lids. It used to be a CD holder, but I am using it for lids, and it works perfectly. Now onto my drawers. This bottom drawer holds my cutting boards and mostly my oven mitts, and also some bigger utensils that couldn't fit in a top drawer, unfortunately, because it is pretty shallow. This next drawer has the other small appliances that I was talking about, and I love having drawers. I wish I have all the drawers in my kitchen. Maybe one day in one of the next houses I'm gonna build in all the drawers because they're so convenient. Now for the utensils drawer. These are the big utensils, and somehow it always ends up messy. Eventually I want to have some permanent solution for them. For now, I just wanted to clean up it and get rid of things that I don't use and put it back in some kind of order until I find some good divider that it's going to work perfectly. Now onto my placemats drawer. I am really in a need of a good set of placemats. We have all mismatched placemats, and I really need some because we use them every single day. This next drawer are my spices, and they're in a pretty good shape. I'm not gonna touch them this time. Now onto the drawer with small utensils that we use every day. Again, it is not in a bad shape. The only problem is that a lot of crumbs has fallen into these dividers, so I wanted to clean it out. And now it's the perfect time because a lot of my utensils were in the dishwasher, so it was easy to take everything out and clean it out. This cabinet over here is under my island cabinet, and I have some extra things over here like paper plates, napkin, some plastic utensils, my bread maker, and then on the other side, right under the sink, I have some cleaning supplies as well as some sponges and my gloves. And I wanted to just keep it in some kind of order, so I use this Dollar Tree little container to put it in place. And now, as you can see, this part over here is again a waste of space, so I can't utilize it the best that I want to, so this is what I'm doing right now. These next three drawers are in a pretty good shape, so I'm not going to touch them. In this first drawer we have our drinks, so coffees and teas. In the next one there are some coasters and kitchen towels. And in the last one is my junk drawer that I organized recently, and it's in pretty good shape still. Now I'm cleaning my cabinet doors and handles, and I'm using my Method multi-purpose antibacterial spray in a citron scent because the flu season is here and I wanted to make sure everything is clean and disinfected. There is something that I needed to do, and I did it a couple of days prior, and that is cleaning the filters above my stove that is on my microwave. These get dirty pretty fast, and instead of replacing them because they're in a very good shape otherwise, I decided to clean them. I took my old pot, filled up with water and white vinegar, and added some baking soda, bring it to a boil and put them inside. And without even scrubbing it, they turn out clean, completely clean. All the dirt came off and I had clean filters. I didn't have to buy new ones. Last thing to clean in my kitchen was the backsplash and countertops. I'm so glad I participated in this challenge because these kind of things needed to be cleaned anyway, and this just gave me a boost. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. It helps my channel a lot. It shows YouTube that you like this type of videos. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you, so click that red subscribe button. It's completely free. Join my YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Domestic Divas channel and also the playlist that I'm going to link in the description box down below. Enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.